You can take the princess if you ask for her saying the magic word.
Give me the princess. Let me take her home.
You don't know the magic word. The princess is staying with me. Watch this video to learn how to ask for things with the magic word.
English is easy. Tell her what you want her to do. Do what I say. Wash your hands. Stop smoking. Come with me, please. Please close the door. Please listen to me. Please answer my question. Learn more English.
It says here that pointing at people is impolite. Don't point at people.
English is easy. Let me do it.
Let me check it.
Let me tell him about it.
Let me smoke.
Let me ask you a question.
Let me do it.
Let me rest for a while.
Let me help you.
Let me help you.
English is easy. Let's do it as a team. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's sing a song.
Let's swim across the lake.
Let's sell our house.
Let's buy a new car.
Let's talk about our marriage.
Let's move to another city.
Let's do it together.
Let's teach him a lesson.
Let's climb up the hill.
Let's play basketball.
Let's ask her to read to us.
Read to me, please.
Let me read you 2 pages.
Don't talk so much. Let me listen to the music.
Let's find out what the dog wants.
Stop smoking.
Stop bothering me.
Please take me to the lake. Let me swim in it.
Let's find out what they're eating.
Tell me what you are eating.
Get the chicken curry. It is perfect.
Come and join us.
Give me some better food, please.
Let's see what the painter's painting.
Show me your painting, please.
Come back in 2 hours.
Get out of here or I will bite you.
Let's ask her why she is a housewife.
Tell me why you enjoy being a housewife.
Don't be too curious.
Let me tell you this. Curiosity killed the cat.
Let's see if the suspect is guilty or not.
Answer my questions.
Let me call my lawyer.
Listen to me. She is innocent. Leave her alone.
Let's learn about the farmer's marriage.
Tell me about your marriage.
It is none of your business. Let's not talk about it.
Grow, flowers, grow.
Please give me some water.
Let's find out what the pilot is going to do.
Let me know where you are going.
I am going to meet my friends. Come with me.
Don't come with us. I don't want to be asked questions all evening.
Fly with me, please.
Let's learn about his wife.
Tell me about your wife.
Stop asking me about my wife, you creep. Let's not talk about her.
Look, his wife is up in the mountains.
Please play with me.
Let's sing with the opera singer.
Let's sing together.
Teach me to sing, please.
All right. Repeat after me.
Let's learn to climb from a real climber.
Teach me to climb, please.
All right, watch me.
Come down. Let me climb now.
Let's learn from a real teacher.
Teach me about the biology of a dog.
All right, take a seat.
Don't listen to him. Dogs are boring.
Let's buy a new car from the car dealer.
Sell me your best car.
Tell me what you need it for.
Guys, smile. Make a good impression.
Let's learn to write from a real writer.
Teach me to write a good book.
All right, take a pen and paper.
Let me sleep in your lap.
Let's find out what the neighbors think about his music.
Stop it. Stop it, please.
Let's move to another city.
Let me play 10 more minutes.
Let's build a house with a real builder.
Let me build with you.
Come join me. Put on a helmet.
Let me go and catch some mice.
Let's have a bowl of soup from a real cook.
Let me taste your soup.
Set the table, sit down and wait till I finish.
Please cook some fish soup for me.
Let's find him a more interesting job.
Let me find you a more interesting job.
Go ahead. Find me a better job, please.
Please don't leave me.
Let's stop the runner.
Stop.
Leave me alone. Go away.
Don't try to stop us, or I will bite you.
Let's stop her from kicking her trainer.
Don't kick your trainer. Show some respect.
Don't tell me what to do. Ask him if he likes it. Ask him if he wants me to stop.
Tell them what to do. Add please at the end of the sentence. Play the guitar.
Play the guitar, please.
Run faster.
Run faster, please.
Do 150 push-ups.
Do 150 push-ups, please.
Fight the dragon.
Fight the dragon, please.
Cook Chinese food.
Cook Chinese food, please.
Build a sandcastle.
Build a sandcastle, please.
Do pull-ups.
Do pull-ups, please.
Ride your motorbike.
Ride your motorbike, please.
Surf with me.
Surf with me, please.
Catch the criminal.
Catch the criminal, please.
Paddle faster.
Paddle faster, please.
Play basketball with me.
Play basketball with me, please.
I am back for the princess. Please give the princess to me. Please let the princess come with me.
Good. You know the magic word, please. Let's not fight. Take the princess. Keep learning.
Let's dance.
Like and subscribe to my channel. Watch the next video to learn and practice English. Click on the video in the video. Click now. Click, click, click now. Don't hesitate. Be a nice person. Show me you like my videos. Please.